Okay, so I was going to do another short video about how to complete the experiment for this next week. It's from March 30th through April 1st. April 3rd. I'm getting all my dates mixed up. But you're going to do part 2 of experiment 10, which is to make a list of supplies that you need if you were going to design and complete this experiment. And so on the discussion board, you should see that each group now has been given their particular experiment. And so you have like projects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which correspond to the projects that are in the experiment 10 handout on Canvas, starting on page 10. And so you kind of are given this prompt, and then what I need is for you to go to page number 10. Nope, 7. There you go. Go with my finger off the screen. It's number 7. And it tells you that a list of reagents and solutions that you would need, and a list of the equipment that you would require other than the equipment that was in your drawers. Now, I know you guys don't know, maybe off the top of your head, what's in your drawer, because, I mean, you've seen the drawer maybe 15 times. So if you're unsure, you can still ask for a beaker, still ask for a stirring rod, those types of things. I'm not so concerned about grading that, oh, that's in your drawer, 10 points off. I'm not going to do that. But I want to know what you would need. And so I need that list. And if you'll notice on page number 5, it gives you a list of things that would already be provided for you, some solutions, and the only time you would need to let me know that you need something, so say you need HCl but you need 0.5 molar and you're given a 1 molar, well, you can dilute the 1 molar down. I don't need you to ask for that, but I want you to put in your list somewhere that you would be using that stock solution. And you need to estimate roughly the volume you would need. So if you're going to need 1 liter, or you're going to need 20 milliliters, 5 liters, 100 grams, 6 styrofoam cups, 8 weigh boats, as best you can. Now, some of these experiments are going to be roughly similar to things we've done before, maybe experiments either last semester or this semester. And if you're not sure, that's what the discussion board is for. You are going to communicate with each other in your group on the discussion board. I'm going to follow it next week, maybe once a day. I'm going to try to hop on and make sure I'm answering any questions that are out there. And but you need to communicate on the board, and then on Sunday, April 5th, I don't know, I'm losing track of my dates, 5th at midnight, I need one person, only one person, to send me a type up of everything that you need. And I need it to be in a separate document. So don't put it in an email. Put it on a separate document. That way I can save it and keep it as like an official assignment. If that makes sense. I'm going to save it on my computer so it's separate from my email. And that's it. It's 10 points, so if you don't participate on the board, you get 0 points. It doesn't matter if your group submits something or not. If I don't see you on the discussion board, you are not getting points. You are also not going to get points for lab preparation or lab performance, because I can't watch you in lab. I have to monitor that in another way, and the discussion board is that. So if you don't participate from 3:30, March 30th through April 3rd on that board, you're also going to get 0 of the 5 of that particular performance grade. So, it's 15 points. It doesn't seem like a lot, but if you make a habit of it not participating, those zeros become really big points. Well, no points, but they become a factor. So please make sure you're participating, and it can't just be, yeah, man, sounds great, I agree. Second, you need to be thinking about what experiment you're going to be doing, and do we have an idea? So you need to kind of plan the experiment beforehand, kind of rough out what you think you'll be doing, and ask the supplies based on that. Okay, we'll move experiment 9 to the following week, which is the week of Good Friday. And most likely I'm going to give y'all 2 weeks to work on that, because Friday and Monday are both holidays, and I want them to stay as holidays, especially because you are home with your families. And then we'll finish up experiment 10 in the last 2 weeks. Okay, so I think that's it. Just make sure you're following discussion boards. That's all you're going to do for this week of CHEM 1111 is participate in this discussion board as an individual and make sure that someone in your group that's responsible is going to submit the list of stuff on time. Okay, I think that should be it. And please email me if you have any questions or concerns.